Finding the courage to change. Comparing myself to others. Comparing myself to others used to be a terrible toxic habit for me. I would resent people who had what I wanted: better health, a more attractive body, more skill, more money. I would envy what they had. Envy is a waste of time. I'm envying what I think they have. Outer appearances can be deceiving. Are they happy? They may look happy on the outside and be struggling on the inside. The other problem with envy is that it is an aggressive form of self-pity. When I judge myself as less than, I tend to feel sorry for myself. I start to think, poor me, that's not fair. Why can't I? Self-pity is a habit I use to stay stuck. Self-pity allows me to pretend that I don't have what it takes to improve my own life. It gives me permission to give up and stop trying. Improving myself is challenging. It takes effort. It's much easier to pout. Finally, when I compare myself to others, I tend to hurt myself. I discovered this in yoga class. I would watch the more advanced students and overextend myself. I'd go home hurt and set my yoga practice way back while I recovered from my injury. This can happen in any arena. I'm an entrepreneur. I've tried and failed at several businesses. Some failures set me back years as I struggled to recover my self-confidence and belief. I've learned that I'm always in the right place at the right time. I may not yet be where I want to be, but there's a gift in the moment if I will look for it. Things are always working out for me.